Meaning of hard candy.
Hard candy.
Hard candy.
Hard candy.
Hard candy. Hard candy is a type of candy that has a hard, crunchy texture and usually takes longer to dissolve in the mouth compared to other types of candy. It is typically made from sugar or syrup that has been cooked and cooled, resulting in a solid, glass-like consistency. Hard candy can come in a variety of flavors, such as fruit, mint, or caramel, and is often shaped into small pieces or lollipops. Due to its durable texture, hard candy is often enjoyed for its long-lasting flavor and is a popular treat among both children and adults alike.